Here are your top news stories from eWEEK, sponsored by Dell and Intel. Today's topics include the new security fixes in Apple's OS X and iOS update, reports that Apple is suspending its plans for an internet TV service, IBM's decision to focus on 3 major coding languages, and why 5 European nations are calling on Facebook to rein in cookies on the social network. Yesterday, Apple released security updates for its desktop Mac OS X 10.11 and mobile iOS 9 operating systems. The patched security issues span all aspects of both operating systems, including networking, graphics, and wireless operations. Of particular note in both Mac OS X 10.11.2 and mobile iOS 9.2 updates is the number of security vulnerabilities patched. These security issues were reported to Apple by Ian Beer, a security researcher with Google's Project Zero. Apple is apparently suspending its efforts to start its own internet-based television streaming service after the company ran into resistance when trying to negotiate licensing arrangements with media companies for their content. According to a December 8th story by Bloomberg, Apple will instead focus on selling TV programming content for the same media companies to customers through Apple's own App Store, rather than offer it through a new standalone streaming service. As a software development organization, IBM said it is looking at 3 primary programming languages or development environments for enterprise use going forward: Java, Node.js, and Swift. Java is ubiquitous in the enterprise, and IBM has amassed a large cache of Java technology and talent over the years. IBM has also been active in the Node.js and JavaScript community. Node.js is a server-side JavaScript development environment. Through its mobile-first for iOS partnership with Apple, IBM has developed a keen interest in the Swift programming language that Apple recently open-sourced. A Belgian court ruled in November that Facebook must stop setting cookies for visitors who do not have an active account on the social network. On December 3rd, Facebook complied with the Belgian court order, but warned that non-members would not receive a specific cookie, known as the dater cookie, and would be blocked from accessing content on the site. On December 4th, privacy authorities France, Germany, Netherlands, and Spain joined the Belgian Privacy Commission in requesting that Facebook stop tracking citizens who were not members of the social network. Thanks for watching. Follow the links on this page to learn more about the stories mentioned in this broadcast, and check back every weekday for another daily tech briefing from eWEEK.com.